Kyoto. 1,000 vermilion gates, golden pavilions, 1,000 years of empire. And you're stuck snapping a photo before the crowd pushes you forward. Crowded bus tours, 15 minutes at Kinkakuji, a rushed glance at Nijo Castle, and a guide reading from a script while Kyoto's real soul slips right past you. Uvamai's Kyoto self-guided audio tour hands you the city's most iconic landmarks with expert narration revealing the Zen philosophy, the Shogun history, and the sacred rituals behind every gate and garden. For just $6, your private access link arrives straight to you. Professional audio guides and an interactive map ready whenever you are. No group, no rushing. Kyoto at your own pace for up to 6 days. Walk beneath Fushimi Inari's endless vermilion gates and hear why foxes guard this sacred shrine. Stand before Kinkakuji's golden pavilion and learn the legend behind its glimmering reflection. Step into Nijo Castle and discover the Shogun secrets hidden in its nightingale floors. Wander the bamboo groves of Arashiyama and the geisha streets of Gion. Explore Kiyomizudera's wooden veranda and the Zen gardens that have outlasted empires. 17 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, finally told in full. Travelers across 111 cities worldwide choose Uvamai because they want to feel Kyoto's soul, not just photograph it. Real stories, real freedom, real discovery. $6. Kyoto's greatest sacred landmarks. Your pace, your story. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.